Hey, good day everyone. Today on the cooking format, we're going to be doing some smoking on the smoker. We're going to be doing a pork shoulder. This pork shoulder is about 2.5 pounds, and I've put some rub on it the morning before and just let it sit in the fridge. We're going to be going for about 66 degree. This is what it's going to look like when it's being prepped. What I'm doing is I'm putting on the hot side for a minute or two just to get it that kind of crispy look, and then I put it on the indirect fire, so I put it away from the fire. As you see on this one, is I'm cooking a bit of moose meat at the same time and some sweet potato. I can teach you how to do sweet potato a bit later. Those things are tasty. If you eat one sweet potato, you're going to eat a second one. So when I do it on the indirect fire, I put it away from the actual eat itself. Once in a while, I'll throw a bit of a maple in there, like a small block of maple, just to create some maple smoke, which gives it a bit of the maple taste. When I'm looking at the eat itself, if I see I'm going for 66, I'm going to pull it out a bit earlier, and I'm going to wrap it in foil. Then I'm going to let the meat inside of the foil for it to cook. As you see, when it's in the foil, when you take it out of the foil, there'll be a lot of moisture, and that's where all the juice stays inside the pork shoulder. Really good, really tasty. You can serve with asparagus, anything else. It's a good, simple thing to smoke. Thank you. You guys have a good day.